here
Connel!
Connel!
Connel! Connel!
We're home for the evening. There's a wee flag on the screen.
Oh, so it is.
Just keep your fingers crossed for a room with a view. There's our less. Just look at the view we might have.
I know.
I certainly hope so. It's kind of full, mind you.
Sorry, say that again?
It looks kind of full. Look.
Right into the corner there. Right over there.
The epic day commences.
Yes.
A bit sweaty just now, I must admit.
Not too bad.
Roger?
Lovely.
See the water down there, how turbulent it is. On the other side too, that's just normal apparently. Because this would be where if we kept going the other way, we'd come into Glencoe.
Yeah.
So that's the Papa Glencoe, that pointy one there.
Oh, right, okay.
It should come to a roundabout like there. We go right and it takes us over that bridge up to Fort Boy. If you go left, it takes you through Glencoe.
That's got a pointy hill.
That's why it's called the Pap.
The what?
The Pap.
The tap.
Like a tit. Pap of Glencoe.
P-A-P?
Yeah.
Pap.
We know that's a nickname for tits, isn't it? Paps.
Yeah.
Well, that's the old name for it, is the Pap of Glencoe. It's actually official, you know? So that's obviously what the old Highlanders called it.
Yeah, strange.
But thankfully all that greyness is behind us, and look! Ta-da! We've been lucky again!
So far, don't say anything.
No, I'm going to say the keyword. There's Loch Leven to the right, Loch Linney to the left. You see the line in the water?
Yeah.
I stopped at the Commando Memorial, but it's getting refurbished.
What's that?
Aye, it's all covered. Well, you can't get to it 'cause it's got all barriers around it, and sort of memory. What's happened is they had the Commando Memorial there for years, and then once the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan kicked off, the Marines that have died in these conflicts, it sprung up as a sort of impromptu memorial with little crosses getting put down, stones with the names of the Marines and that, and then it's turned into something quite special just beside the actual Commando Memorial to more modern Marines that have died in combat. So it's quite nice actually. So the various charities have raised, I think, £100,000 to refurbish the original Commando Monument and make the sort of impromptu one a bit more official and proper looking. Yeah, it's really nice. It had some work done on it because it was almost like a circle, like a step with little stones and stone plaques with names and ranks and dates and that on it. But I think it's getting revamped as well. It'll be really nice when it's done. We can make a point of stopping there at some point when we're out and about once it's finished.
Yeah.
It's quite an exposed spot for a day like today, but actually it's, like I said, there's no point pulling in here because you can't really see it. Well, you can see it, but you can't get up to it or take a picture or read the things, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, it just didn't seem to have us on the road, it had us wandering about in the countryside somewhere. So there's a memorial. This doesn't look promising. So I was going to put on my other top and that. I decided not to, but let's see.
What's so nice here?
No, hopefully it's just one of several showers that may pass over and nothing more than that. You should start to see a change in the landscape between here and Invergarry, and then when we leave Invergarry it definitely starts to change because we stopped briefly at Invergarry for fuel just to top the tank off. Feels like you see a change, eh?
There's a road that runs round the bottom of it.
Round the bottom of what?
These hills.
Oh, probably, but I don't know.
These mountains.
It might well be that, and I don't know.
Maybe not, can't see the tracks.
If it is, I'd imagine it'd be very narrow. But it might well. I was going to say a lot of these places just don't have road access. That's a bit dreek. This is eventually what takes them up to Fort Augustus. and then to Loch Ness. You know,
Fort Augusta is nice.
Yeah, Fort Augusta is lovely, but this is the one that takes them for the sea all the way up there. Fort Augustus is a gateway into Loch Ness, isn't it?
Is that what it's called, is it?
Well, it's the gateway into Loch Ness for boats coming up from here.
Alright.
They can come from the sea all the way up into Loch Ness.
And then get into the loch.
Yeah, they go through the locks at Fort Augustus, which drop them down into Loch Ness.
Right.
We're going to turn left there, but we're going to go past it first to get fuel, then come back.
Okay.
Petrol station's just through the trees just there.
There's a sign on that, is
I
it?
know there is, I know there is. That's diesel, that's fine. Alright. Okay, darling. Off you go.